Hello and welcome to another video. It's Soysouda. Today's video I will show you how to make chili, garlic and lamb prawns. It's very easy. Everyone can do it. It's quick and easy, so simple and tastes delicious. Let's go. For recipes, we have 4 dry large chilies, garlic, salt, soy sauce, butter, brown sugar, fresh parsley, fresh lime and onion. Now we're gonna put onion, chilies and garlic in the blender. Okay, we need butter, next we need chili, garlic, onion blend. Next we need prawns. Soy sauce, sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Cooking time about 4 minutes. Yeah, this is chili, garlic and lamb prawns. It's ready to be eaten. Here it is. We're gonna squeeze some lime on the top. Let's taste some of these, shall we? Yum! So yum! Please don't forget to subscribe for the next video. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.